Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's video, we are going to be trying a Model One's nail polish. And if you guys have been on the channel, you already know Model One's is one of my favorite brands. Now, this is not a sponsored video, but if you are new to the channel, my name is Delissime and I am a licensed nail technician. And for those of you who are just joining, just tuning in on the channel, we talk about nail art, nail designs, nail tutorials. So for today's video, we've got our precious Model Ones. I am extremely over the moon because when I look at this collection, it is giving Oregon. Now, if you guys don't know, I used to live in Oregon. I actually grew up in Oregon. And when I look at these polishes, it's reminding me of all of like the flowers, the trees, really all the green. And if you guys remember back a couple of shorts ago, I actually did a full set of this nail polish. So I thought it'd be really fun just to go through all of the different colors, you guys letting me know which one your favorite one is. And really, we're just gonna dive in. Before we get started into these beautiful six stunning colors, I will leave my social medias down in the description as well as here on the screen. If you guys want to follow your girl on Instagram and or on TikTok. I don't normally post on TikTok, but I'm trying to get used to like the whole algorithm and just trying to figure out how to post on there consistently. So if you guys want to see me on TikTok, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, I want to do a little check in. I want to do a check in with you guys. I feel like the last time I was on camera, I was stressed, I was pressed, I just was looking for any kind of rest. So, how are you guys? How are you guys feeling? How are you doing this week? Let me know down in the comments. I absolutely love hearing from all of you guys when I'm not necessarily feeling the best, but I'm like in my bed and I'm like rolling through all the comments and responding to you guys. So, I really do appreciate when you guys take the time to like the videos, to subscribe to the channel. It truly means the world. And honestly, you guys give me the motivation, the inspiration to keep going, and it is going to only get so much busier for me at work. But I'm so excited because we are retrieving the Calvary. We are receiving some. Can you guys tell I've been so tired and stressed at work? But we're excited because the last couple of days, I have been able just to sit and relax. I have been able to build my Legos and find some time to film and to do a little bit of editing. So I am feeling good over here. I'm hoping you guys are feeling just as good as I am. And if you're not, don't worry. It will get better. So I'm going to stop the rambling. I'm just so extremely excited to be in front of the camera with you guys, to hang out with you guys, to review these different nail polishes. So without further ado, let's dive in. I am so pumped to finally get these all swatched up for you. So we are going to go ahead and open up our Model Ones. I did double check to make sure that none of these were cat eye because I'm pretty sure when I did one of my other reviews, I had one of you guys down in the comments telling me that they were cat eye, and total missed opportunity. But we have all of our swatches, and I've got my buffer, and we're just gonna get these all buffed out, making sure that I get all of the sides so that when we are ready to lay down this polish, it is all nice and smooth. And to me, it's looking pretty good. So here are all of our swatches. I have our lovely Forest Elves, our Born Pretty top coat, pretty much just showing you guys everything that we need to get our polishes ready to go. We are going to start off with our very first color. We have our 1962, and this is giving very much forest green. It's so deep, it's lovely. It's giving me emerald. And if you guys don't know, my birthday is in May, so I am always drawn to greens,
light green, teals. You guys can see on my current nail set that I have a teal. So, of course, you guys know I am just going in with a nice thin coat, making sure to cure it for 60 seconds, and going in with our second layer. And it is so beautiful. Earlier in the video, I had mentioned that I lived in Oregon for pretty much most of my life until I moved. And every time I would be driving, there would be so many pine trees, like so many, and they were absolutely beautiful. And this green is absolutely giving pine tree. So I feel like this one is going to be very popular during the holidays. We have number 2073. And as I am looking at the polish, there are definitely some gold, some yellow tone to it, some undertone. When I lay it on the actual swatch, it's giving almost like a light blue. And then you guys will see once it's cured, I can definitely see the hints of green. I love how Model Ones called this collection Forest Elves because it is so pretty. It's almost reminding me of like Tinkerbell and all her little like fairy friends. So pretty. I feel like Miss Tink Stink she would probably rock this color because I feel like it would match her outfit so perfectly. But this is stunning. I love it. You guys can see I'm trying to make sure that I can see it from all angles, and it's looking really beautiful. I'm almost certain I forgot to record that second layer, but don't worry. We got it. All right, let's check out number 2074. This color is very interesting. This one, I feel like one of my day ones, Miss Rochelle. I feel like if we haven't used this color on your nails before, I feel like this is something that you can definitely get behind. It is beautiful. I like it. I don't know if this is a color that I would wear. Maybe. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely liking the way that it's looking on the swatch. You guys already know. Let me know down in the comments which one so far you like. This one is really pretty. I saw that there was like a little speck of dust. So I'm just kind of like making sure, passing through onto the swatch, making sure that it looks even. But I'm loving it. Honestly, after the cure, it looks beautiful. We could have honestly gotten away with doing a single layer. You guys know how much I love a nail polish that will save me time. But honestly, I remember in nail school, my teacher was like, do a second coat always because it will hide all the imperfections. And you guys let me know. What do you think about 2074? I am very curious. Moving right along to number 1845, as I am looking at the top of the bottle, opening up this polish, this one definitely has some blue undertones and definitely some larger glitter bits. When we did our second color, it was like very much fine glitter. This one, a little bit more noticeable, and I feel like the glitter is giving like hints of silver, green, definitely silver. And I went in with just a little bit more polish because I'm like, it's not giving that full coverage. So I cured it for our 60 seconds, making sure I have a decent amount of polish on there. And as I am going through with the second layer, I am definitely loving how this is looking. Look at that. You guys, it's so pretty. It's so nice. I don't know. I feel like I know I said number 1 was gorgeous. I'm definitely feeling that second color. This one, like I've already done a full set of these colors on my nails, but as I'm swatching it up, I'm like, these are beautiful. So you guys let me know. Are you guys ready for the holidays? I scheduled my next doctor's appointment and she was like, okay, the doctor wants to see you like 3 months out. That'll put us in the middle of December. And I'm like, December? I'm like, that is too soon. I feel like we all just celebrated the holidays. Literally, it's so crazy when people say, oh, when you get older, time goes so much faster. And I'm like, I wake up and I'm like, what day of the week is it? I'm like, can we just start there? So I am not ready. I have not started. Normally, I like to do like my Christmas shopping very early, but I have my sister's birthday tomorrow. I have my husband's birthday on the end of this week. So I feel like once I get their gifts and birthdays all knocked out and out of the way is when I start compiling all the stuff for Christmas. But am I crazy? Is it too early to get started? I just feel like there are so many things, sales and stuff, but I feel like the holidays stress me out so much. But what doesn't stress me out is number 0876, and this one is giving off a lot of polish, right? You see me like starting to like swipe up, and I'm like, I shouldn't have to swipe up. That's too much. So I'm making sure that it's all even at the bottom. I see one little piece of sparkle that's like kind of like hanging off on the side, but I will make sure to grab that in a moment, making sure that we have a decent amount of polish because I want to make sure that it looks even. I feel like with this one specifically, there are a ton of sparkles at the bottom. So when I'm able to do the second color, I try to even all that out and get the sparkles on the top. Now that we have these all swatched up, we are going to grab our Born Pretty Super Top Coat. I don't know what it is about Born Pretty, but I absolutely love this base coat as well as this top coat. This brush is amazing. And no, this is not a sponsored ad. This is just my experiences with Model Ones, with Born Pretty. I really, truly like recommend these brands because I have had such good experiences. My clients love these brands as well. I would have to say they do a amazing job with no chipping, right? I feel like I have when I first started doing nails, I feel like my clients were like, "Oh no, like the nail polish is chipping." So of course, through trial and error, we have to just try a couple things until we know the ones that work well. And if I could recommend something, it's going to be Model Ones, Born Pretty, as well as Maniology. So happy with the way that this is turning out. We are just going to do a nice even layer and making sure that everything looks beautiful. I also wanted to take a moment to thank my subscribers for interacting with my community posts. Normally, I don't post on my community posts, but obviously it's my first time. So it was really nice for those of you who took the time to interact, to comment on that post. Really, I just want a space for us to be able to communicate more than just in the comments, right? A place to give updates, share how you guys are doing during the week. I am so thankful, so curious. So I'm going to go ahead and put the subscribers who interacted with my post right here. I really truly appreciate you guys so much. I'm just trying to get used to using YouTube's platform as a whole, opposed to just like, like posting a short or posting a full form video. So it's new for me. So thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate it. We have all of our lovely swatches going onto our key ring. And let me tell you, these look absolutely perfect when we have them all next to each other. I'm so excited, you guys, for my clients to be able to see how they all look next to each other. You guys already know. I want to know. I want to know has made it till the end of this video. I want to know who my ride or dies are. And if you guys made it to the end of this video, please leave me a little spooky ghost. Y'all already know I am so excited for spooky season. And as we wrap this up, I'm excited to continue reviewing fall colors. So leave me a little spooky ghost.
What did you guys think of all of these stunning colors? I am so happy with the Model One's consistency. I'm so happy that the full coverage of this nail polish is giving. I'm curious. Have you guys tried Model Ones? Do you like Model Ones? I would have to say the only issue that I have with Model Ones is their black polish. I feel like I've said this a couple videos ago, but somebody, please, it's a call for action. Somebody, please send me some recommendations for some black polish because I feel like I've tried multiple black polishes and they don't work. That's my only gripe, but literally everything else, their blooming gel, their standard polish, their cat eye polishes, chef's kiss, and I'm so happy with how these swatches came out. I have maybe like 2 or 3 other sets of Model One's nail polish that we're definitely gonna have to review here on the channel. And one of them is like so perfect for fall and spooky season. You guys already know I'm excited for spooky season. So let's hear it for the spooky season. So stay tuned for that next video that's coming out. I'm so pumped. I'm so happy again to be in front of the camera. Thank you guys for the consistency, for your love, your support. I would not be here without you guys. I thank God for my health and just overall everything that I have in my life and all of the blessings that I receive. So thank you. You guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to do all the things that make you happy in this life. And without further ado, I will see you for the next one.